नमस्कार, जय माता दी। दर्शकों, आपको बता दें कि आज कटरा कोर्ट कम्प्लेक्स में आज जो वकीलों के चैम्बर है उनका उद्घाटन जम्मू कश्मीर लद्दाख के चीफ जस्टिस ताशीर अफसान और डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज मोहम्मद अकरम चौधरी द्वारा किया गया, जिसमें एक कैंटीन का भी उद्घाटन किया गया। देखें ये पूरी रिपोर्ट।
और कहाँ
officers, advocates, staff members. I don't think there is much to say except that Mata Rani had been kind to all of us here, and so is the Lord Chief Justice, with whose efforts this huge court complex has come up, which was inaugurated last month. And today Bar has also got a good complex of the chambers. Now it is your duty, it is incumbent upon the judicial officers and the bar members to ensure that this complex is well maintained, its upkeep is kept. And moreover, while coming to this complex, I was thinking and talking to Mr. Sharma also on way that this is the high time for the bar members to make efforts with the political leadership, with the political representatives from this area, to work on a project for construction of a road, of a good road, so that with the in the coming days there will be much construction, and after 2-3 years there will be very difficult time to acquire the land with constructed areas. So this is the high time they make efforts with the elected MP and elected MLA to ensure that some road project is conceived and developed. I am thankful to the Lord Chief Justice, who has always been a guiding factor, not only to me personally, but also he had made earnest efforts right from conceiving this project and up to this stage when a huge complex has come up. I express my deep thanks to Lordship. Thank you all.
Mr. M.K. Sharma, Principal Secretary, PDJ Riyasi, Judicial Officers of Riyasi and Katra, my wife Rajni, President Bar and bar members, support staffs, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to extend my heartiest congratulations to all of you, because now you have a newly constructed court, and today you have been handed over newly constructed chamber. And I also thanks and congratulations to the especially Mr. Parvez, the executing agency, along with his team, who has handed over this chamber within a time frame what we had set the time, and I am told your lifts will also be make operational within 2 weeks. And the last time also we said, now you have a very beautiful and very beautiful chamber, courts as well as the chamber. Now it's up to you how to maintain. Now it's up to you how to utilize this beautiful courts. Brother Akram rightly pointed out last time also we had discussed. Approach is really required. Anything is to be done by the High Court, we are ready. But for that, especially the bar, you have to approach before the authority, identify immediately before coming up any further, commercial activities around the courts. Rest again, congratulations. I think day before yesterday, we have I had an opportunity to inaugurate another court complex at Agnur. Before that, we had inaugurated judicial residential at Kathua. So this is what infrastructure. Unless and until you don't have a proper infrastructure, it's very difficult to deliver justice to the needy people, as well as if you don't have a proper chamber, it is also difficult for the lawyers to interact with their litigants and clients. Therefore, my stress would be always simultaneously administrative as well as the infrastructure. So now Katra, after with the cooperation of all the honorable judges, High Court, Registry and the Executive Magistracy, you have now beautiful courts, we have now beautiful chambers. Again, congratulations. Jai Mata Di.
Now I would like to request all the members of Bar Association Katra to present the idol of Mata to Honorable Chief Justice Mr. Tashir Ali.